This error indicates that the Riot Vanguard application was not installed properly. This is because the Windows Defender application is preventing the installation of Riot Vanguard, or the Riot client is not working properly. For this, we will give you information on how to fix the problem by mentioning a few suggestions. First of all, we can disable security scanning by adding VALORANT and Riot Vanguard folders as exceptions via Windows Defender. This is because Windows Defender may scan the VALORANT and Riot Vanguard folder, causing the client to crash or block. Type virus and threat protection in the Start search screen and open it. On the screen that opens, click on Manage Settings. Then scroll down the menu and click on Add or Remove Exceptions. Click Add Exception and then Folder. In the new window that opens, let's select the Riot Games and Riot Vanguard folders and save them. After saving the folders, let's move on to the other suggestion. First, we added the Riot client folder as an exception via Windows Defender. Now we're going to do a clean install of Riot Vanguard. Type Services in the Start search screen and open it. In the new window that opens, find the VGC service and right-click on it and click Stop. After performing this operation, let's delete Riot Vanguard. In the Start search screen, type Add or Remove Programs and open it. Then type Riot Vanguard in the search screen and select it and uninstall it. A warning message will appear. Let's proceed by saying yes to the warning message. After the uninstall process is complete, run the Riot client and select VALORANT, click the Update button and wait for Riot Vanguard to install. After successfully installing Riot Vanguard, restart the computer and check. We can eliminate the problem by clearing the Riot client logs files. This is because the previous incorrect upload of Riot client logs files may not allow some logs files to be loaded, leading to potential errors. First of all, close Riot client with the help of Task Manager. Type Run in the Start search screen and open it. Copy and paste the file directory in the article into the box on the screen that opens and press Enter. Then delete all the folders in the folder. After the folders are deleted, run Riot client and check. Some files may need to run as administrator. For this, you can eliminate the problem by running the Riot client as an administrator. First of all, close the Open Riot client program with the help of Task Manager. Right-click the Riot client application on your desktop and click Run as administrator. Then you can check if the problem persists. Problematic operation of some cache files can cause you to encounter various errors like this. By clearing the cache files, we can get it reconfigured. We will need to restart the computer to clear the cache file.